All right, last question. I think we had from Kishore Aditya was any tech stack that you would like to recommend to people starting out? Would it matter what language or tool we start out with?
I think in certain cases it does matter what tool. Like for example, SQL in my opinion is something, a skill that every data scientist or analyst needs to have. And there are different versions of SQL, but that's just syntax, and the idea remains the same. So with SQL, I think it does matter that you know that tool. But in terms of, say, the debate in terms of R versus Python versus SAS, SPSS, I feel like whatever helps you solve the problem is good enough. I think companies appreciate problem solving more than the tech stack that you're using. For example, I have in some occasions used Google Sheets and Excel to solve problems, and that works fine. As long as you're trying to solve the problems. I don't necessarily think that it's important to pick a side in terms of R versus Python, but it's important to know the strengths of both these languages. Start with any one of them, and as you move ahead in your career, you'll get exposures to people who are working with other languages and then try to learn from them.
Yep, true.